Mr. Vijayan, Mr. Natarajan, leadership of Telenor, Microinsure, Shriram, and our friends in the media, thank you very much for being with us here today. Today I can truly say that I can speak from the heart, because I can tell you a short story from where I come from, having studied engineering, working in mining for a long part of life, and then got an opportunity to work with Sanlam in life insurance. Initially, I did not really see myself doing that for a very long time, and I never thought that I would have the opportunity to come to this beautiful country, which is India. And only after coming here and spending 5 years here, I learned about the value of life insurance to people who really need it. Being part of Shriram Life Insurance, really offering life insurance to the low end of the market, where there are breadwinners and families who really need it. Only now I realize that the work that I'm doing and the work that we're doing as a life insurance company really adds a huge amount of value to these families. And I'm proud to be able to stand here today and to be part of this, where we know that we are able to, in this partnership, develop a very powerful way in using technology to spread the message of life insurance to the masses. So, Mr. Vijayan, I wasn't really aware that the IRDA employees were in the lower income segment. If I was aware of that, we would have sent our agents long time ago to come and market to your staff. I think probably today or tomorrow we'll send some people across. So just a few words in terms of how we see the value in this relationship. We know that our Prime Minister has launched a scheme, whereas he really made it very clear that the importance of life insurance to the masses is a very big thing. And as Mr. Vijayan has said that already, I think you were mentioning 12 crore of people who are already covered in that. So we can see the seriousness of the government in this, and also the concept of Digital India, the benefits that this can deliver to the masses and promote inclusive growth in the country. So in this, we know that the telecom industry will have to play a really important role. So our respected IRDA chairman has also spoken about finding ways, and today again, of spreading the message of life insurance to people who really need it. And to do that, he's often told us and given us this challenge as a life insurance industry is, how can you spread that message in a very powerful and cost-effective way? Now, we know that it's very difficult for us as Shriram Life Insurance going out, and typically most of our customers, we are giving life insurance policies for the first time. So our people have to really spread the message and the education of life insurance to the masses out there, and we're limited in the way that we can really do that. So this initiative to partner with Telenor to spread life insurance brings these ideas together and brings a win-win situation for all involved. So when we come to Shriram, you all know that the Shriram Group's business models have always been to ensure that everywhere that we do business, it has to have a social meaning. Our founder, Mr. R.T. Agrijan, regularly has said that it doesn't help us being in business if we can't contribute to society in a meaningful way. So always Shriram has been able to do this. And SLIC as to this stage already covered 43 lakhs of lives in the social sector, even if we look at just the last 5 years. So, I mean, we know that there are some targets in terms of social and rural, and we can proudly say that every second policy that we sell comes from the rural sector as well. So we're perfectly positioned in doing this. So in the same way, Telenor has a customer base that is largely within the Aam Aadmi segment. Mr. Veksud has showed that clearly today, is that customers that are being covered here, the way that Telenor is being positioned as Sabse Saste is really reaching out to customers who cannot afford and want maximum value out of it. So there's a perfect fit between Shriram Life and Telenor into the segment that we are trying to reach out to. So that's why we believe that this partnership creates an ideal platform for us to go out there and do this work. As I said, it's extremely difficult for us to do this alone. This is something that is pioneering work, and what is effectively happening now is that we have a partner, and not only us, the government has a partner, the regulator has a partner, which has a large and powerful network, and who is going out there and reaching millions of customers with the message of life insurance. So, I mean, we've had some feedback from where we heard that where you have already implemented this, where we've seen how your staff in your shops have actually spoken to customers. So just think about this. We've now actually co-opted in a very powerful and large network and large company to spread the message of life insurance. What more can we ask for to ensure that life insurance message can be spread in such a way? This will lead to what Mr. Vijayan has mentioned earlier, is that all these customers will become aware of this. Every time that they walk into a terminal shop, every time that they recharge, every time that they get an SMS, they are being made aware of the value of the life insurance that they'll be having. Apart from the fact that they'll be covered, they will also have that much more valuable awareness coming to them. So later on, they'll be able to then grow up and buy more valuable life insurance and become more aware and educated about the value of financial services products. So this will help us to ensure penetration in India, which is what we really want to see, and also in a small measure to really contribute to the vision of our Honourable Prime Minister. Thank you very much, sir. Thanks.